Welcome back to Island Life Live. Sunday is La Makuahine Mother's Day, and coming up in less than 10 minutes, we're giving away a leimomi, courtesy of Sunshine's Jewelry Design.
And look who's here, Sunshine.
Yay!
She's with us, Francine Ranit, a certified pearl expert. Aloha, tita, how are you?
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming back. Wow, you dripping over there.
Like I said, Cleopatra one day. This one is what?
That's
I feel
so,
like this one.
that is so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Now, Francine, when it comes to pearls, which is better? As our certified pearl expert, which is better, natural or cultured? And can you share what the difference is, and which is more expensive?
Oh, of course, natural.
Natural.
Natural is you find, if you're eating one oyster and you just went choke on one pearl, that's natural.
That's an expensive one because you go to the hospital.
Cultured.
Gotta go ER.
Yeah, that's natural. It grows naturally. Cultured is when man had something to do with it. Man intervened in some way to where now it becomes cultured. Mm-hmm. So of course, natural is going to be more expensive because we hardly get any naturals out there. You know.
But how can you tell the difference?
You can tell we kind of know.
You kind of know.
Kinda know.
So we got to come to you.
You gotta come to me. That's why I gotta keep my job.
But that's just years of experience of handling real pearls, cultured pearls, and fake stuff,
and,
right?
Well, and plus too, when you go to like farms to buy the pearls, you know that's cultured. You know, and like I said, when you go and when they label, if you're buying things, it should indicate if it's natural or cultured, and you're gonna see the big difference in prices.
Gotcha.
Because natural, it's like you're diving. Free dive into the ocean, finding an oyster, opening up, you have one.
Right.
But you know, those,
Absolutely. Now, we got a chance to sit in one of your classes, and I made these bangles and this ring right here. And Davey made his bangle, right?
He made three of them.
This is a cufflink.
Yeah.
It's called a cufflink, not a bangle.
I think it's called a bangle. On him, we'll call it a mangle. Okay. And the pearl on his mangle is like a chocolate color. Is that a naturally occurring color?
No, that one, you do have natural colors, chocolate, natural colors, pistachio, but the enhanced one is that what they do is we pick the lightest colors of the pearl, the lightest, like really almost white, and send them off to Japan. What they do is inject the color.
They infuse it.
Yes, and they put it under a warm light for 4 months. So it takes 4 months to get that color. Yeah, it takes a long time. Wow. And yes, it does fade and stuff, but eventually. So, like I said, when people are selling to you, they should let you know if it's enhanced or if it's a natural color.
That's kind of part of your kuleana as someone who deals with
you don't want to be like,
pearls.
oh, this is fake pearl because it doesn't come this green or it doesn't come this chocolate. You do find it mostly in the Tahitian colors, the green, but it's really rare that you find that real nice colors.
Naturally occurring.
Yes.
Look at this wonderful footage that we're showing right now. This is actually on our table right now. It's all for us. Nah, just kidding. Well, we do have one there that we're actually going to be giving away, but look at that. You can see the chocolate pearls, you can see the pistachio ones, and then some yellow ones. What are those?
Those are the South Seas. They come from either Australia, Indonesia, or Philippines.
Wow, because you were just telling us earlier that you made these. You just made some of those. Can you show and like show it off to the viewers?
So
these are chokers.
Yes, one of these they're chokers with the little fireballs at the end, and what you do is you just put it on, and it's like a little.
It's almost so it's on like a wire.
Yes. And then it just connects right here, and you can wear it.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Colors, yes.
It helps if you only have one chin, though.
Yes.
For that
You can get it.
Also,
no, I'm just saying. You can get like pretty neck.
No, you can get like 8 of them and then cover them up. You know what I mean?
Just go around and around, like you look kind of walking around.
All the way up.
You can. You can wear the different layers of color.
Yes, that's beautiful.
And that is a gorgeous design. I love that.
Thank you.
Sunshine's Jewelry Designs want to say a very big mahalo to Francine. She's going to hang out a little bit with us because after the break, we are going to give away this gorgeous leimomi, and we are announcing the winner of our Island Life Lives Lay and Flyaway giveaway for Mother's Day. And of course, yes, it includes the round trip for 2 anywhere Southwest Airlines flies. It's coming up next.
Oh, and by the way, if you didn't enter to win the contest and you still need something for Mama, how about Watanabe Floral?
Oh, yes.
They still have delivery slots available pretty much island-wide for tomorrow only. Today's sold out. Or if you want to pop in to the store, Watanabe is extending their showroom hours till 5 p.m. today, and then Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
That's right. Plus, Children's Miracle Network Day is tomorrow, where a portion of sales all go to CMN. So for more information, go to watanabefloral.com. Just a reminder, they are closed on Sunday.
Yep.
So it's got to happen today and tomorrow. We'll be right back.